Have you ever opened your refrigerator and found your milk warm? Or maybe your freezer is turning everything into a solid block of ice, even the food that shouldn't be frozen. One of the most common parts responsible for these temperature problems is the temperature control thermostat. It's a small component that most homeowners have never heard of, but it's one of the most important controls inside your refrigerator or freezer. What is a temperature control thermostat? A temperature control thermostat is a switch that monitors the temperature inside your refrigerator or freezer. Its job is to tell the cooling system when to turn on and when to turn off. Think of it as the brain behind your refrigerator's cooling cycle. When the temperature inside the appliance gets warmer than the setting you've selected, the thermostat closes an electrical circuit and sends power to the compressor. Once the refrigerator reaches the desired temperature, the thermostat opens the circuit, shutting the compressor off. This process repeats dozens of times every day to keep your food at a safe temperature. Where is the thermostat located? On many refrigerators, the temperature control thermostat is located inside the fresh food compartment behind the temperature control knob or electronic control panel. In older refrigerators, you'll often find a mechanical thermostat connected to a small sensing tube called a capillary tube. This tube detects the temperature inside the refrigerator and tells the thermostat when it's time to cycle the compressor. Newer refrigerators may use electronic temperature sensors and control boards instead of a traditional mechanical thermostat, but many models still rely on a temperature control thermostat. What is its main function? The thermostat has one primary responsibility: maintain the correct temperature inside the refrigerator. It constantly monitors the internal temperature and automatically cycles the compressor on and off. Without the thermostat, your refrigerator wouldn't know when to cool or when to stop cooling. That means food could spoil from being too warm or freeze because the compressor never shuts off. The thermostat helps keep temperatures stable, which protects your food, reduces energy consumption, and extends the life of the cooling system. How does it work? Here's a simple way to understand it. Imagine setting your refrigerator to 37 degrees Fahrenheit. As you open the door throughout the day, warm air enters the refrigerator. Eventually, the temperature rises above the thermostat setting. The thermostat detects that increase and sends power to the compressor. The compressor begins pumping refrigerant through the cooling system. Cold air circulates through the refrigerator. Once the inside cools back down to the target temperature, the thermostat interrupts power to the compressor. Then the cycle starts all over again. It's constantly making tiny adjustments to keep your food fresh. Signs the temperature control thermostat has failed. The refrigerator isn't cold enough. One of the most common symptoms is food that doesn't stay cold. Milk spoils quickly. Drinks aren't cold. Fresh food begins to go bad sooner than expected. If the thermostat isn't turning the compressor on, the refrigerator simply can't cool properly. Everything is freezing. The opposite problem can happen too. Lettuce freezes. Eggs freeze. Milk develops ice crystals. If the thermostat fails in the closed position, it may continuously power the compressor, causing the refrigerator to overcool. The compressor never stops running. Normally, the compressor cycles on and off throughout the day. If it seems like it's running constantly, the thermostat may no longer be sensing temperature correctly. This can increase your electric bill and place unnecessary wear on the compressor. The compressor never starts. If your refrigerator is completely warm and you never hear the compressor running, the thermostat could be preventing power from reaching it. Of course, other parts can cause this too, but the thermostat is one of the first components technicians test. Temperature changes throughout the day. Another warning sign is inconsistent cooling. One day, everything feels normal. The next day, your refrigerator feels warm. Later, it gets cold again. A failing thermostat may cycle unpredictably, causing temperatures to fluctuate. No clicking sound. Mechanical thermostats usually make a soft click when you turn the temperature knob. If you rotate the control and never hear that click, the thermostat may have failed internally. While this isn't a definitive test, it can be another clue. What causes a thermostat to fail? Like any electrical component, thermostats wear out over time. Common causes include years of normal use, internal electrical contacts wearing out, damage to the sensing capillary tubes, moisture, corrosion, or manufacturing defects. Eventually, the thermostat can no longer accurately detect temperature or properly control power to the compressor. Can you keep using the refrigerator? That depends on how the thermostat has failed. If the refrigerator isn't staying cold, your food may quickly become unsafe to eat. If it's running constantly, you're putting extra strain on the compressor, which is one of the most expensive parts to replace. For that reason, it's best to diagnose the problem as soon as possible. Can the thermostat be replaced? Yes. On many refrigerators, replacing a mechanical temperature control thermostat is a fairly straightforward repair. However, it's important to make sure the thermostat is actually the problem before replacing it. Other components can cause similar symptoms, including dirty condenser coils, faulty evaporator fans, defrost system failures, bad start relays, failed compressors, electronic control board problems. Proper diagnosis can save both time and money. How can you help it last longer? While no thermostat lasts forever, you can help your refrigerator operate more efficiently by cleaning the condenser coils regularly, avoiding frequent door openings, making sure the door seals tightly, keeping the refrigerator properly loaded so air can circulate, setting the temperature to the manufacturer's recommended settings instead of the coldest possible setting. These simple maintenance habits reduce stress on the entire cooling system. The temperature control thermostat may be small, but it plays a huge role in keeping your refrigerator working properly. It decides when your compressor turns on, when it turns off, and ultimately keeps your food at a safe temperature. If your refrigerator isn't cooling, is freezing everything, or seems to run constantly, the thermostat could be one of the first parts worth checking. Catching the problem early can help prevent food loss and protect more expensive components like the compressors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which appliance part you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.